Health Coach Tara, and welcome to my very first What I Eat in a Day on Keto video. So this episode is really fun because today, you can see behind me, the kitchen's kind of getting messy. We're getting ready to film some brand new keto recipe videos for our YouTube channel, Tara's Keto Kitchen. So throughout this video, you're actually going to learn some new recipes. So we are making a spinach artichoke chicken bowl. So inspired by spin dip that we're like, I love it. It's something that I miss. And so I wanted to make it into a meal. And so we're gonna make that today in the Instapot. And then we're going to make a delicious chocolate keto mug cake. But without any further ado, let's jump in to breakfast and walk through exactly what I eat in a day and what my routine is. All right, I'm going to have my breakfast. It's 11:30. And I know I'm not gonna have lunch till mid-afternoon today. So I'm gonna have my breakfast, which is my chocolate mug cake, which you have the recipe for. So I'm just gonna garnish this with some powdered Boca Sweet, one of my favorite sugar substitutes. And so I've just got any little type of sifter to tap the edge of it. So pretty. Don't need much, just a little bit. And then dig in. It's lunchtime and I am going to have my spinach artichoke chicken bowl that I just made. You can get the recipe by clicking on the link right up above and also down in the description. So this was my twist on spinach artichoke dip, one of my favorite things. So I added chicken and made this into a nice chunky bowl. So it's so good. All right, so now it's dinner time and I have some stuff cooking I want to tell you about here. Artichokes in the Instapot. We love artichokes, as you know, because we had the spinach artichoke chicken bowl for lunch. But all we did was do 30 minutes at high pressure with the Instapot, and then we let it naturally release. You can see for 24 minutes there. And we're going to cook up some of this Applegate Naturals uncured Sunday bacon for dinner. So Jeremy and I are gonna split this, so that'll be 140 calories, 10 grams of fat, 12 grams of protein, and no carbs. So you can see here the ingredients. Has a little bit of sugar in it, but this is the one I got because there's zero. I prefer the zero sugar one, but it was out of stock. That was at Whole Foods that we got that. And then this is one of our favorite sharp cheddar cheeses. We love extra sharp cheddar cheese. And so we're going to have, I'm gonna have an ounce for dinner. Jeremy's gonna have 2 ounces. So that is our dinner: cheese, bacon, artichokes. Yum. All right, the way we like to cook our bacon is to bake it. So just lay it out on the cookie sheet. And then what temperature do you bake the bacon at?
Usually around 375. And the June is a smaller space, so lower temperature is going to work fine. Like if you're in an oven, you might put it at 400.
Yeah, so we're using our June oven that's preheating there in the background. But if you're using just, normal oven, what'd you say temperature-wise?
400, 375 in the June. The different cuts of bacon are going to be thicker, thinner, so you just have to watch it. Like there's no one time unless you use one kind of bacon all the time, which we don't. So we like to try different bacons.
So with our artichokes, we like to have a side of mayonnaise. Some people like butter, so either one is great. So there's our artichokes that we're going to enjoy while waiting for the bacon to cook. you so much for watching this What I Eat in a Day video. I hope this has been valuable for you, and I would love to know if you want more videos like this. Because of course, every day is not the same, and depending on what style of keto I'm eating or how busy I am or how much I've planned for the day, it changes. So let me know what style of videos you want to see here on this channel. Just drop us a comment below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to support us here at Tara's Keto Kitchen YouTube channel. You can find hundreds of keto recipes here on the channel and also on our blog, which is wholebodyliving.com. Until next time, this is Health Coach Tara, wishing you the very best of health.